In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80245006. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. After that, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the network and internet. Then you need to navigate to the proxy, click in here. Let me just click on this backward arrow since I've accidentally clicked on the airplane mode. Click on the proxy. There you can see automatically detect settings. Navigate to the switch and turn it off. And if you have the server that is being set up here, okay, you need to remove that one. So ensure that it's being offed. Once done, close the window and check if the error has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution, and that is you need to disable the antivirus. So if you have antivirus third party that is running in your PC, disable it or might as well uninstall it in your PC because that might be the cost of error. Okay? However, if the error still persists, then we need to run for SFC and DISM scan. So I want you to copy the commands that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, you need to navigate to the search bar here. Please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you can see there a command prompt. You need to navigate to the right side and run it as an administrator. So click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So first is to do SFC scan now. So this will help you to fix the problem. Then paste it here and then click on the enter key. Once done, navigate to the second, which is to restore the health of your computer. Okay? Once all of the process has been finished, I want you to restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.